Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the SANSI garage ceiling light. They did send me this product review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product or finding out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. I've reviewed a lot of SANSI products here on my channel, so be sure to check out some of my past review videos as well. I'm really excited about this garage light because SANSI continues to innovate and release really cool and creative LED products. So some key features about this light: 6,000 lumens, 5,000 Kelvin color temperature, so that's going to be your warm daylight type white light. It's adjustable. It has an E26 base, which is your standard base for simple installation, and it's rated at over 50,000 hours. This is a non-dimmable light as well. Here's the retail box, very simple, with one little sticker walking you through all those features I just talked about, and their simple logo and branding on the package. Now let's go ahead and open it up. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have a nice user guide right here. Look at how detailed that is with 2 diagrams for you and a chart of technical data. They also show you the light distribution curve, and they have their warranty information on the back. This has a 5-year warranty, and they also have their website and email address if you ever need to reach out to them directly. Here's the garage ceiling light right here. They call it a winged light. Look at how cool this design is, guys. I love the ability to rotate those lights 90 degrees. So let's go ahead, let's unfold the whole thing, and you can see the design from the overhead camera right there with just your standard typical light bulb base right there. And they've each got a nice hinge, that really cool winged light design. Now let's flip it over. We can see the other side right here with all the LEDs. It says SANSI, made in China, has some more technical information for us. Look at how cool this design is. I really like everything about this light so far, and we haven't even powered it up yet. Now, before we get this installed outside, let's go ahead, let's get a lamp, and let's install it in the studio and test it out. So you can see I got it installed on this little table lamp right here. This is so cool. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on right now so you can see it is super bright. Now let's go ahead, let's turn off all the studio lights so you can really see how bright it is. Well, there you go. Look at how bright it is with all the studio lights turned off. It's really cool, guys. Let's go ahead, we can bring it to the center here and then raise them all up so you can see that maybe from the overhead camera as well. But look at how nice that light is as it shines on me. You can shine it at the camera, on the back wall. I mean, it casts a great field of light right there, shining it all around the studio. It's really, really impressive. That's definitely an understatement to show you how bright this thing is. And in case you're wondering, it's been on for a couple minutes. It's not hot to the touch or even very warm. So very comfortable to touch. Nothing seems to be heating up too hot or anything like that. So really a cool design overall, and I'm really excited to get this installed in my garage because my garage is really dark. So let's go ahead, let's do that now. Now we're out in my garage. Currently it's being illuminated by the light coming in from the garage door. Now I'm gonna go ahead, turn on the overhead light. It's a 14-watt LED light bulb, so around 100-watt incandescent equivalent right there. Now I'm gonna turn it back off so you can kind of see the difference between no light and having this light bulb on. Now let's go ahead, let's get the wing light installed. So we got the wing light installed. Let's go ahead, let's power it on. Wow, look at how bright that is, guys. Super impressive. Look at all the additional light it's bringing to my garage. Perfect for your garage or a workshop. See, we can turn it off and back on. That is a massive difference for one light. Just want to show you guys the light from another angle. So we got the camera pointing directly at it and we'll turn it on. Look at how bright that is. Unbelievable, really cool. Now I've adjusted the camera so we can actually look at the light without it being washed out, and look at how cool they look up there mounted on that light fixture. I really like how they look. Now I did notice 2 of my lights can't go all the way up because they hit that crossbar that the light is mounted to, but the other 2 can go completely back up in the air. So don't forget you have that 90-degree field of movement. So let's go ahead, let's adjust them down. Now you can see we have them adjusted all the way down. They're so cool. What a neat looking light. I love that wing design a lot and just think it's a really clever idea, and I'm super impressed. So after seeing the wing light in action, let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section below. I can't wait to hear your thoughts and opinions. This is by far the coolest SANSI product I've ever reviewed, and the design is just so unique for a light. I love it, and it's just unique is the best word I can think of. It's really cool, and there's a lot of freedom and flexibility there too to be able to pivot those 90 degrees. It's so cool. I don't want to hide it in my garage, even though that's going to be the best place for me to use this. Maybe I can work it in down here in the video studio to add it to my video lighting. But guys, look at that design. Really spectacular job by the SANSI team right there. So this is really cool. If you're interested in this product, the link to it will be in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe to my channel. We have new content coming out daily and don't want you guys to miss anything. Please go ahead, give us a follow online too. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can message us on WeChat. Check out our website, join our free newsletter, follow us on Twitch, and join our Discord server as well. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.